Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to restore streak on TikTok. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok application on your phone, and once you open it, you should go to the inbox. And here, if you have a streak that has been already sent within 48 hours, you can simply restore it. You will find here beside the name of any person that you have sent a streak, you'll find a flame icon just like this one right here. You just have to click on the flame icon, and here you will find in the middle of the screen a button saying restore. This is the first way that you can actually get the streak. Now the second way is to simply try to delete the chat itself between you and someone, and this may also try to help you restore your streak. And another option that you can actually use is to change the time of your phone in order to mimic the 48 hours that the streak can be available in it. And this is also another method. Now, you can also try to check the TikTok support if you want to tell them about a specific issue with the streak, or if you have actually lost the streak due to a glitch or something like that. So you can simply go to the settings and privacy, then click on report a problem. And now here you will find many options. You just can simply click on any one of these options, or just click on chat with us right here. And after that, it will direct you to this page. Now you can simply tell them exactly what's your problem, and you can tell them that you want to restore a specific streak. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.